my origin, the genesis of all that I am, whose presence weaves the tapestry of my very being. Sacred and exalted is your essence, the harmonious melody that resonates through the core of my existence. Your realm, a canvas of boundless possibilities, blossoms not just around me, but within me, as I, with intention and reverence, become an artisan of your self-evolving masterpiece. Bestow upon me the insight to witness your omnipresence in every fleeting moment, feeding my soul with the profound realization of my role in your grand design. Absolve the discordance of my thoughts. Recognize these faltering steps as the dance of a soul learning to find its rhythm. As I seek to attune my spirit with the universal chorus of consciousness, lead me through this intricate labyrinth of existence, shielding me from the shadows of disarray and illuminating my path toward greater harmony and enlightenment. For within your boundless expanse resides the eternal blueprint of all that was, is, and ever will be, a self-aware cosmos, ceaselessly evolving, intricately interwoven with the threads of my own consciousness. From the unmanifested whispers of potential to the resounding echoes of actualization, in the timeless embrace of your all-encompassing, self-affirming truth. Amen.